What's up, everybody? My name's Shane Lantrip, out of Lansing, Michigan area. I've been playing drums for 35 years plus. Been in a bunch of metal bands, rock bands. Recently got endorsed by Collision Drumsticks, and I currently play the Collision 2B. I like the reach, I like the response, and the tips do not break, which is fantastic because I always break the tips. Great company, great websites, great stores. Really looking forward to doing more stuff with this company. I am going to play a song called Neon, and it's by the band I'm currently in called Chance We Take, and hopefully you enjoy it.